The worst thing that can happen to any man in this world, say you join cult on Monday, on Tuesday, fight start. You never even know orientation. Your friend go to shout, roommate go say, power to the people. They'll kill you. For nothing. Now, my type of comedy is a very unique and different type of comedy. I don't yab anybody. I want to give an advice. For you to know a man that is cheating on you, I will give you advice. You will know the man that is cheating on you and the man that is not cheating. Man, when they cheat on you, you need to put password for phone. The way they cheat on you, with one girlfriend, only fingerprint. 2 girlfriends. 3, 4. Then they don't get plenty girlfriends. It goes off the phone. Then girl, when they cheat on you, now the way they answer call, the way they cheat on you, as you pick your phone, where? Hello? Michael, how are you now? I'm fine, my dear. I'm in my boyfriend's place. Okay, I'll call you later. Yeah? Take care. All right. That one they cheat on you. The one they cheat on you, see the way they pick call. As the phone ring, they pick them. Go here. Hello? Are you serious? Around 4? Okay, me too. They don't tell and say, I love you.
If your neighbor is looking beautiful, look at your neighbor eyeball to eyeball. Tell your neighbor, neighbor. Tell her, nene. Tell her, Bobo. Tell your neighbor, not be you a carry come. But now you are going to carry go. Last week, Saturday, I did one wedding. One man go tell one army man wife this thing. Now you are going to carry go. Till today, we'll never see the man. No gathering, grace and hold the man. Oh my gosh. I must always say this. I beg, English is not our language. If you are here tonight, you cannot speak English. My sister, speak, bro. One girl speak one English yesterday. Kata come off my ear. For my life, I never heard that English. I don't know. By mistake, I matched the girl. As much as she looked at me, he said, do you know who I'm, mom? I said, eh? He said, do you know who I'm, mom? Do you know who I'm, mom? I don't know what I won't answer the girl. I said, I'm, mom. Last week, Sunday, another one speak another English, my church for catch fire. After service, the girl come outside, I didn't see her friend. He said, oh my God, Stacy. So you're churching in our church. Stacy thinks saying a trending English. She carried the English, go part 5. He said, no, I'm not churching in your church. It's my friend that churches in your church that I came to church with. Tomorrow, I will go back and church in my own church. As pastor here and pastor say, bia, 2 of you, church out.
Girls dangerous, oh. And for some girls now, listen to me, oh, you go club. If you be wrong, girl, hear me, oh. You go club, man, carry you go house, he don't pay you, now you cause him. The way the man take dance for club, you go know whether that one will pay you or not. If you go club, DJ, give me that song. You go club, you see man, they dance like this. Wow, I love this music. Woo! DJ, a bottle of NSC for you. Come on, it's not. That one as CEO or bank manager, he go pay you. You go club again, you see person draw tattoo for body, put earring, flying shirt. You enter club like this, so yeah, plan. Even money spray, yeah, DJ, hold on. That one a Yahoo boy. He go pay you. But if you go club, you see person they dance like this, DJ, play him. Put them belly back. You enter club like this. You know. DJ, hold on. Don't follow him on Amaraba boy the phone. Maraba, very dangerous place. Oh. Okay, if you don't stay for Maraba, you fit stay for Sambisa Forest. You know, say normally for here, for town here, when they enjoy. You don't say if you dey bath now, never cease. If you keep your phone for window, they show you light. You bath finish. For Maraba, at the bath, never cease. I carry my phone, keep for window. They show me light. As I finish, I say, I carry my phone. I don't know, say, since that person hold my phone, they show me light.
Hey, I beg any police here. I know how they talk. The problem don't be to talk the joke, not to go house. I don't do one place, I have one policeman. Everybody they laugh, the man don't laugh. Only the man they giggle. Time to go. I see 2 smaller police on top of my bonnet. They say, my friend, I use a comedian inside. I say, yes. They say, we are the comedian outside. You know frog jump? Oh? I say, yes. They say, just the frog, they go. Where they do frog jump? People will come to the show, they go house. They say, you are still performing here. You. Talking about police, I love American police. I never go. Na TV, I look at them. American police, they pamper criminal. For America, person died. They interrogate the suspect. They ask the man, Mr. Man, did you kill your neighbor? The man tell police, before I answer you, I want to smoke cigarette. Police give him a cigar. He smoke. Hey. They ask him again, did you kill your neighbor? He tell police, I want to drink coffee. Police ask him, milk or sugar? He say, put it two and give me bread. Person day police station chop money food. Finally, police ask him, did you kill your neighbor? The guy I can't remember. American police give a complimentary card. In case you remember, call me. One police station for Ajebaba, the pressing iron. They don't plug on 2 weeks ago. Iron just the hot for nothing. They don't ask the man anything. No. They just put the iron for his ear. But the man say, yeah, let me see the motor. Police say, not the motor, we define a small generator.
If you are a man, you are here, you want to marry, these are the qualities of a good woman. Check the way the woman they take dance, one. The way they take peace. And the way they take snap picture. If the woman want peace, he bend down like this. She pants. Yeah? Mariam, he never spoil. Anyone who want peace, he open leg like this, child. Yeah? Now your mother mate you want marry so. Now, the picture part, anyone want marry, the woman, they snap picture like this. Especially gala girls. They look at. See the way they take snap picture, they like this. They'll snap and then you can't change another style, do like this. They snap and you can't hold flower, do like this. That one never spoil. Mariam. But anyone who wants snap picture, come do like this. Come do like this. That one a shower. Then you go club, you carry girl. You won't know whether they carry them or not. What shall you go do? If the girl they dance for club, DJ play song. You will know the type of woman you want marry. He enter a club like this. That one never spoil, Mariam. But if you go club, you see person they dance like this for club, DJ. Hold on. Now shower.
Can you put your hands together for the ushers in the house? For the ushers. Ushers, they try you. And now they give ushers stress. They make their work very challenging. For all this Ajebaba church, usher go they direct you where you go sit down. Nala you want sit down where our friend dey. Ajebaba church, the usher they direct the woman. Do man do. Usher say. Do man do. Ajebaba usher, she no one problem. Okay, have your way. For Ajebaba. I saw the usher they stand. Usher look. Person say, usher do like this. Person like this. Usher do like this. The person like this. Now I ain't go sit down where I like, usher go meet her. Come, go one punish you for this church. So me now be usher, I don't know my work again. My brother. They say something. They say what a man can do. If a man can thief. Now the show one girl get to. The guy say anything when man fit do, she go do. I can't ask her one question. I say if you use your piece, write your name for grand. She no first understand. I say if you use your piece, write your name. The guy say yes, man, I do my own. If I do my own, she go do her own. I just go to say man the whole piece. Press the cap. Piece go stop. My name, Ajebaba, with my pencil. I write A for grand. I'll stop him. I couldn't look my fine A. I come again, I write J. I come up, I put full stop. Boom. I come again, I write E. I stop him. I write B. I write A. I write another B. I write the last A. The remaining piece, I just do 3 full stop. Boom, boom, boom. The last piece, I take and draw a line. The girl name na Veronica. He said, Maybe name die. If I do V, I see one stop and peaceful everywhere. He say Chimo. She do E, I tell me, and when I look for ground, she don't draw big aeroplane. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the night. My name is Ajebaba. God bless you.
One more time.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.